Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my May 2022 BOXYCHARM Premium unboxing. I am so excited to unbox this because this is a huge, heavy premium box, whereas the BOXYCHARM base box that I got this month was the teeny tiniest box that I think I've ever gotten from BOXYCHARM. So very opposite, and that unboxing of my base box is already up here on YouTube, and it is actually such a great box. So make sure you check that out if you haven't already seen it. Also, my other two Ipsy Glam Bag unboxings are up here on YouTube already. So a pretty speedy delivery month of my beauty subscriptions. I'm so happy to see that. So along with all of those unboxings, I also have full dedicated review videos that I'm doing on all of the makeup products that I get in these beauty subscriptions this month. And that's part of my Trying a New Makeup Product Every Day series. So make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on any of that type of content. But let's go ahead and get into this box. This is a monthly box. It's the middle tier in BOXYCHARM because you can upgrade quarterly to the, what is it called? BOXYLUXE box. But this one is about $40 now, and I get it every month. And so we've got product information here. With BOXYCHARM, you always get full-size products, so I like to add up my total retail value, and it's usually pretty great. And so, ooh, right on top, a Truffle product. Let's start there. Oh, this is pretty packaging. I've been getting a lot of Truffle beauty products in both Ipsy and BOXYCHARM. I actually got a Truffle product in Ipsy this month as well, but I have been really loving the products. They have been impressing me so much, so I'm excited to see more. I didn't even read the title. I'm like already trying to dig into this, but this is the Flor de Mexico Shadow Palette. Okay, yes, I have to see what this is going to look like. I think this is my first eye makeup product of all of my beauty subscriptions. Usually it's pretty heavy in eye makeup in terms of the makeup products I get, but this is the first, even like including eyeliner, different eyeshadows, mascara, anything. So I love getting eyeshadow palettes. Yes, this is beautiful packaging. Let's see the shades. Oh my goodness. There are so many shades in here. 18 shades. Lots of shimmers, but then also lots of mattes and a good mix of neutrals, but then you can still get a little pop of color with those greens. This looks beautiful and right up my alley. I can't wait to play around with this. So the Truffle Beauty La Flor de Mexico palette retails for $30. That's not too crazy expensive for an eyeshadow palette with that many shades. Next up, I have no idea what this could be. Oh, not as exciting as it looks from the box. This is Dry and Wet Dual Action Facial Cleansing Wipes. Individually wrapped face cleansing wipes, 20 count. Makeup wipes are not something I'm interested in getting because I don't use makeup wipes as part of my skincare routine. Occasionally, if I have wipes from a box that I just want to use up, I'll use them while filming after swatching or something, but they're not part of my actual daily skincare routine. But I do know a lot of people use them, so I'm actually not even going to open this because it's plastic wrapped, and I'll probably just gift this to someone else. Yeah, but you can see there's a day side of wipes, night side of wipes. Let's see what these retail for. So the brand is called Base Blue Cosmetics, which I'm not familiar with. Dry and Wet Dual Action Facial Cleansing Wipes. Retails for $21. So this is the type of product that I'm like, I wish I could have swapped it out for something. I wish they would have given me something that is more suitable to my preferences. But okay, let's continue, see what's next. You know, I actually haven't gotten brushes in a while, so I can't be too mad, but brushes are exactly what I was just talking about. Another type of product that I don't really want to get because I have too many. I'd prefer to get another type of product, and it's something that on my quiz, my feedback, I've given to BOXYCHARM that I don't want. Although these do look pretty because I think they look pink, and I love pink. I mean, yeah, they're from the brand Nourishing. Oh, this one's an interesting shape. But yeah, it feels soft. I'll probably gift these as well. But they are cool with the pink studded texture handle. Oh, this is contour blending. This is flat angle. And then an angled shading brush. I mean, 3 good essential brushes. Comes in this little holder here, but I can't even fit any more brushes in the brush cups that I have in front of me, and I have 5 brush cups in front of me. Like, when I say brush cup, this is what I'm talking about. So yeah, I don't need any more brushes, so those will also get to go to someone else that will get more use out of them. But just to let you know, the retail value on the LaRousse Beauty 3-piece contour brush set with at serviced by limited edition pouch, this retails for $50. So that's a great gift to pass on to someone else. I actually recognize this packaging as a product that I used to get in every single beauty subscription. It was like the Skin & Co. exfoliating scrub, I think, but that was a long time ago. I haven't tried out a Skin & Co. Roma product in a long time, and this is Truffle Therapy Ultra Pure Facial Oil. Pure oil. How do you use this? Kind of sounds like, based off the instructions, you just use it as almost like a massage oil for the face to lift your face, massage. This is not exactly a type of product that I'm too excited to get either. I really just want to get mostly makeup and a facial oil. Sounds like something I could also gift to someone else. It's nice packaging. Let's see how it smells. It does smell nice. It has a little bit of fragrance, I think, to it. It says you can use it day and night, but it sounds like it would be messy for using during the day. We'll see. Maybe I'll try this out if it's something worth adding to my skincare routine. But so this Skin & Co. Roma Truffle Therapy Ultra Pure Facial Oil retails for $68. That's definitely high end. Oh, it says this oil, which is like a ton of different oils combined, is a non-comedogenic, fast-absorbing formula to deeply moisturize and optimize hydration, revealing a rejuvenated complexion. Since it's, of course, non-comedogenic, as I would hope, meaning it doesn't clog your pores, and it absorbs quickly, that does catch my interest for trying it out. I just didn't want to have like a super slick, greasy face that wouldn't absorb and would just kind of sit there and seems like a mess, but this sounds like I could like it. Next, I've got, this is a nice skincare brand, Elemis Superfood Midnight Facial Nourishing Sleeping Cream. Could put this on after that oil. Although, why am I getting so much skincare in this box? Oh, I'm bummed to see that, especially because my BOXYCHARM base box this month was so good. It was all makeup. I felt like it was really well curated to me. And now this one, I'm like, what is going on? This doesn't seem like it was meant for me. Oh, but what is meant for me is this beautiful pink packaging on this product. I love pink, and this is so beautiful to me. So I'm like seriously going to start using this right away just because of how much I love the packaging. So I do use a sleeping mask or night moisturizer every night. So I'll get use out of this. And like I was saying, I like Elemis, so I'm excited to try that out. The Elemis Superfood Midnight Facial retails for $50. This seems like it's going to be a high value box, but from expensive skincare that I still would have liked to switch out for makeup. But I've got one more product left in the box here. And this is, can't even tell what brand this is from the packaging. Vegan Beauty, oh, KVD, Vegan Beauty. Lip gloss. Okay, I will take a lip gloss. I got this in the shade Magnolia 60. Let's see what this looks like. Oh man, this color is out of my comfort zone. It basically looks like a brown. Interesting choice of BOXYCHARM to send me, but sometimes I get pleasantly surprised by how a color could look. And this isn't a lip gloss, so maybe it'll be a little bit more toned down and hopefully look okay on me. Intriguing. But so the KVD Beauty XO Lip Gloss retails for $19. So I'll do a recap of everything I got. I'll add up the total retail value, but overall, I'm not super impressed with this box because it's not curated to my taste. So I got the Elemis Midnight Facial, the KVD Beauty Lip Gloss, the Skin & Co. Roma Face Oil, the LaRousse Brush Set, the Transluce Eyeshadow Palette, and these Base Blue Facial Wipes. And that brings me to a total retail value of $238. That is huge value, but most of these are products that I'm not very interested in. I wouldn't have ever purchased on my own. So the fact that I spent $40 on this, I don't know that that's super worth it to me when these are not products that I would have chosen. Which you do get to choose a few of your products in the BOXYCHARM box, and I can't remember if I actually chose my products for this month because I don't really see myself choosing any of these except for the Transluce Eyeshadow Palette. So I'm a little bit bummed about this, especially when I felt like BOXYCHARM was doing such a good job this month with my base box, and now I'm like kind of not feeling that way about this box. But if you've tried any of these products, I love to hear in the comments down below your thoughts on them because sometimes that can make me more excited about what I actually got. And let me know what you got in your May 2022 BOXYCHARM Premium Box. I'm probably going to be jealous of what you got in your box and wish that I got that instead, but I'm still so curious to hear. So thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.